Hi, in this video I'm gonna walk you through the Light Scheduler, the distributed task scheduling service like we provided with the API platform. This is a video for developers only, so we are gonna focus on the local development environment and also walk through the source code so that the new developers they can get into the project as soon as possible. The first thing first, because the light scheduler is depending on the Kafka, so we need to have the Confluence platform to be started. In order to start a Confluence platform, there are two ways. One is using Confluence Local. If you are using Linux desktop like myself, you can use Confluence Local. But most users, they might prefer to use Docker. So we have a Docker Compose created within the Kafka project. So in order to start the Docker Compose, you go to network, which is my workspace, and go to Kafka sidecar folder. If you don't have this repository, check it out. Yeah, you can just get it checked out from GitHub network uh, repository. Once you get this project checked out, you can run Docker Compose app-d. So this will basically start all the components from Confluence platform, including the broker, which is a Kafka broker, and control center, also Zookeeper and schema registry. Those are the components like we are using for our application development. So once I have the Confluence platform started with Docker Compose, you can double check with Docker PS to see all the components running on your computer. So once this is done, what you need to do is to prepare the Confluence platform. One step is to create necessary topics. We can use the control center. Yeah, this is the control center. You can connect to the control center with localhost 9021, and this is the cluster we just started within the Docker. We need to create two topics. One topic is the one to save all the task definitions, which we call it light scheduler. This is a configurable, but by default the name the topic is the light scheduler. Also, we create another topic. This topic we call it controller health check. So we want to schedule the health check task for the light controller. You can see when we create those two topics, we have a partition set up as a 16. So you can remove those two topics we have right now. And if you want to create a new topic, just like we create light scheduler and controller health check, you can just click here, put a topic name, and then use 16 as the number of the partitions. If once you got the topic created, for example, I create this topic name 1, you can always remove that if you want. Yeah, if we go to configuration, edit settings, and you can delete name 1. So this is just to show you how to create new topics from a control center. So those two topics, controller health check and the light scheduler, you need to create those two topics before we start the development work.